NTU Blood Donation Drive 2011 was held on the 7th and 11th to 13th of October at the Nanyang Auditorium. The response was overwhelming as many students as well as staff turned up to do their part for society. In conjunction with the Red Cross Humanitarian Network NTU chapter, Blood Donation and Donor Recruitment organizes 2 donation drives each academic year at NTU.
You know, one blood donation can actually save 3 lives. So if I was a blood officer, I can be promoting our blood donation drive to the NTU population. I think it's a very good thing because NTU population are very enthusiastic in blood donation.
Each donor goes through a series of administrative and logistic processes in order to test their eligibility for blood donation. In total, there are 6 stages donors are required to go through in order to complete the process. Qualified donors will then be examined by a doctor. If they are considered healthy, donors move on to stage 4, where blood is extracted from their finger and used to determine their hemoglobin levels. The 5th stage involves the actual collection of blood, where donors are given anesthesia while a 500 ml packet of blood is collected. Finally, donors will proceed to the refreshments area, where they will be provided with some drinks and biscuits to boost their sugar levels. Donors do not seem to mind the long wait. In fact, many encourage others to come along for this worthy cause.
I would, because you never know whose life you're saving. It may be one of your loved ones, so why not?
Yeah, definitely. Everybody who is eligible to donate blood should donate blood because you will never know who else may need your blood.
When I see people finish blood donation, right, I see a smile on their face. I feel very touched because they know they save life. I know I do a contribution to a society.
This is Natasha Wong reporting for Nanyang Spectrum.